Okay, like the Cleveland Indians, the financial sector knocking it out of the ballpark, boasting a near-perfect batting record average for the third quarter. 35, here's the record, 35 out of 37 companies that reported earnings so far have beat analyst profit estimates in the sector. Let's bring in Haverford Trust Chief Investment Officer Hank Smith. He's making a big bet on financials. It's not too late to get in now?
Oh, I don't think so. Look, we're in the eighth inning of a bull market, but that doesn't mean it's going to end just because of age. And this is an area that looks very, very attractive. And we would go with the highest quality companies. And in fact, our largest position in the financial sector is perhaps currently the most unloved, and that's Wells Fargo.
Okay.
Which we think investors should take advantage of this decline in the price as a good entry point.
Well, it certainly is embattled, and you're not buying it at the highs of the year, that's for sure. So I get where you're going with this, but aren't there more shoes to drop? That's the problem that a lot of people see with Wells.
Well, there are. There are 15 government agencies that are investigating the company right now, and certainly there's going to be headline risk. And, you know, this company, the stock price is probably going to be in the penalty box, so to speak, for the next couple quarters. But you've got a 3.3% dividend yield. You're going to get a dividend increase next year. So you're getting paid to wait. And I think this is a $70 stock when you look out 3 years. So, again, a good entry point for an investor as opposed to a trader.
Well, look, the KBW Banking Index hitting its best levels of the year, so I think that your timing is really interesting here. But let's broaden the discussion here when it comes to the markets overall. The S&P, Hank, is looking actually pretty good. It's just a few percentage points below its highs of the year. How much more does this bull have within it to run?
Well, look. Bull markets don't die because of age. They die in anticipation of a recession. And there really are no signs of a recession looking out over the next 12 to 18 months. So we could be in one of the longest economic expansions. We could actually have one of the longest bull markets. The point is, expectations should be for more modest returns over the next 2 to 3 years, but still returns in the mid to upper single digits that exceeds cash, which earns nothing, and fixed income, which earns very, very little.
Hank, always a pleasure to have you. Hank Smith is Haverford Trust Chief
Investment
Officer. Anytime. He's got $6 billion in assets under management.